Let's create a fun kid story together. Hi, little creators. Welcome back to Reddit Stories. I'm Tilly the Tiny Turtle, and I'm super excited because today we're going to do something awesome. We're going to create our very own story together. Are you ready? Let's make some magic. Step 1, pick a character. Who should our hero be? A silly monkey? A superhero cat? Or maybe Sparkles the unicorn who loves to dance? Step 2, choose a place. Now, where should Sparkles go? Maybe the moon, a candy forest? Let's pick a floating island in the sky where everything is made of fluffy clouds. Step 3, pick a problem. Every story needs a little problem. How about this? All the colors on the island disappear, and Sparkles needs to find a way to bring them back. Story recap: Sparkles. The unicorn has to bring the colors back to her floating island. So our story is about Sparkles the unicorn, who lives on a floating island made of clouds. But one day, all the colors disappear. Sparkles has to dance her way through magical places to bring them back. Your turn. Create your own story. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own story with different characters, places, and problems? Here's a fun list to get you started. Story creator. Mix and match. Friendly robot talking dog with a magic backpack. Pirate who loves to bake cakes. Jungle made of candy. Snowy mountain. Spaceship in the stars. All animals have disappeared. Stars have gone out. Cake ingredients vanished. I've got an idea. How about a friendly dragon who loves to paint? Perfect! We'll name him Danny the Dragon! Now, where should Danny go on his adventure? Should it be in a jungle, on top of a snowy mountain, or maybe in a magical forest? Ooh, let's send him to a colorful enchanted castle. Uh-oh. As you know now, every good story needs a little problem for our hero to solve. What could happen to Danny? Maybe he loses his paintbrush, or someone steals all the colors in the castle. How about all the color bottles in the castle are emptied, and Danny has to find a way to refill them? Great! Now let's put it all together. Our story is about Danny the Dragon who lives in a colorful enchanted castle. But one day, all the color bottles go empty. It's up to Danny to refill the colors and save the day. How does he do that? Well, I'm guessing he makes his own unique colors. What could it be according to you? Here's another fun set of ideas to spark creativity. Characters: a playful kitten who can fly, a shy dragon who loves to paint, a superhero snail with a sparkly cape. Places: a magical treehouse that moves through the forest, an underwater castle made of seashells, a desert where it rains sprinkles instead of water. Problems: the magic in the treehouse has stopped working. The seashell castle is sinking into the sand. The sprinkle rain is turning everything into candy, and now it's too sticky to move. These prompts are designed to inspire a variety of imaginative stories. Complete the story and share with us. Now that we've started the story, it's your turn to finish it. Use your imagination. Add your own characters, places, and adventures. I'd love to hear your stories. Share them in the comments or draw a picture of your story and ask your grown-up to share it with me. Best story will be featured on our channel for everyone to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos every Tuesday and Friday.